Hinge repair on Lenovo IdeaPad 115AMN7 laptop. Thank you, Sir Artur, for trusting PTIT Solutions. The Lenovo IdeaPad 115AMN7 laptop underwent a hinge repair procedure to restore the proper alignment and stability of its display assembly. Over time, the hinge had become loose and partially detached due to wear and stress from frequent opening and closing of the lid. This caused the display to wobble and made it difficult to open or close the laptop smoothly, posing a risk of further damage to the screen and casing if not addressed promptly. The repair process began by carefully disassembling the laptop, removing the bottom cover, keyboard, and display assembly to gain access to the hinge mechanism. The damaged or misaligned hinge mounts were inspected, cleaned, and reinforced to ensure durability. Any broken screw posts or plastic housing near the hinge area were also repaired using epoxy resin and precision tools to restore their original structure. Once repairs were completed, the hinge was realigned and resecured with high-quality screws to ensure firm and even tension when opening or closing the lid. The internal cables connecting the display and motherboard were also checked to prevent pinching or strain during movement. After reassembly, several tests were conducted to confirm the hinge's smooth operation and the screen's proper alignment. The laptop lid now opens and closes easily without resistance or wobble, and the display sits firmly in position. Through this repair, the Lenovo IdeaPad 115AMN7 regained its full functionality and physical stability. The hinge repair not only restored the device's usability and appearance, but also prevented potential damage to the screen and internal components, ensuring longer-lasting performance and reliability. Hinge repair is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.